Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to put together what we learned last Friday with have and has and the possessive adjectives my, your, his, her, our, and their. So you are going to complete exercise 35 today as well as exercise 36. Uh, there are 12 questions that go to here, and then there's a vocabulary checklist. You don't need to do anything with this right now because we are not doing the oral language practice because we're not in school together. If we were in school together, we would be pairing with a partner and speaking and practicing, but because we are on our iPads, we can't do that. So let me just quickly go over exercise 35 and 36 so that you can complete this on your own. We are getting close to the end of Unit 1, which means soon we will have a review and a Unit 1 test. First, you're going to complete the sentences using have or has and my, your, his, her, our, or their. You should have a packet at your house to look back on. Otherwise, you can go back and look at the video from Friday, lesson 1.11 and 1.12. So here's example number 1. It says, I blank a book. Blank book is interesting. We remember that when we use I, the verb that comes with it is have. I have a book. Whose book is it? It's my book. My book is interesting. Let's try the next one. Number 2 says Bob. Bob is a man's name. Bob is one person, same as he. So we know we're going to say Bob has a book bag. A book bag is the same as a backpack. So Bob has a book bag. Blank book bag is green. All right, now we need to show that Bob owns that book bag. The word we're going to use here is his. His, because that's for a man. His book bag is green. Okay, let's do 2 more together. We're going to do 3. You have a raincoat. Your raincoat is brown. You have a raincoat. Your raincoat is brown. Let's skip down to one that I think might be tricky. Okay, I think number 10 is usually tricky. Tom and you. If I'm speaking to you and someone standing next to you, I would say Tom and you have book bags. Tom and you have book bags. I'm speaking to 2 people, you and to Tom, who's right next to you. Tom and you have book bags. Your book bags are green. Your book bags are green. So the first part you're going to choose have or has, and for the second part you will choose my, your, his, her, their, our to complete the sentence. Remember, go back to Friday's lesson. You can see this chart again. I will take a picture of this chart and put it on the page for you to see so you can look back. Then for exercise 36, you are going to just have to choose between my, your, her, his, our, or their. Let's do one together. Let's do number 6. Anne and I are wearing sweaters. We're wearing sweaters. If it's Anne and I, it's the same as we. What possessive adjective will I use to show Anne and myself own something? I'm going to say our, O-U-R. Our sweaters are green. You are going to stop when you get to number 12. Remember, you don't have to do anything on the rest of this page. Okay, good luck.